What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on top 3 altcoins that I am watching during this dump and on which, if certain conditions are met, I am planning to open here a long position. So if you are interested about the exact setups and about the exact altcoins that I'm currently watching, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on Rndr. You can see that on daily time frame we took liquidity under this really important bullish order block, which is between levels 3.88 and 3.66. And you can see that with this candle, we also took liquidity under like all of these previous important lows. So right now, if there will be a support confirmation, let's say somewhere in this or like slightly above this bullish order block, then I think this will be absolutely perfect opportunity to open here a long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case, you need to place under a low that we created during the fake out, and the entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block. I know that the potential stop loss here is kinda bigger, but me personally, I think this is definitely worth it, because we will have here pretty safe stop loss and really good risk reward ratio, because in the long time perspective, this coin is in the heavy uptrend. I really like this coin, and this is in my opinion a massive discount, because from this high to this low, we already did a drop around like 76%. So if this condition is met, then I think that you can with this trade even speculate on the new all-time high. So for example, on like 20 bucks, which will give you a potential risk to reward like 30 with 15% stop loss, which I think is absolutely insane. Definitely in this case, it is really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely like under these lows, then these highs, for example, these highs, these highs, these highs. And then once we will get into a price discovery phase for the price, it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. So yeah, after that you can, for example, take some of the profits on like 17, 18, and then the rest of the profits on 20, but still this will give you risk reward ratio at least 20. If you don't want to wait that long, you can still, let's say, aim for like lower targets. So for example, you can aim for like this previous strong high, which will still give you risk reward ratio around 14. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, it will be like 10, which is still absolutely insane. So me personally, I think this is one of the best coins on which, if certain conditions are met, you can open a long trade, because we have here really undervalued RSI indicator. We are on the level like 9.68, which you can see historically is like almost all-time low. We will have here really good setup, and also in the long time perspective, we are in the heavy bullish uptrend. So yeah, if certain conditions are met, I am planning to open here a long trade, and I really want to repeat this: if certain conditions are met. So opening a long position right now is, in my opinion, not a great idea, because then the stop loss will be kinda big, and it's not like even worth it. So yeah, just wait for a proper setup, and let's now move to another coin. The next coin that I will show you in today's video is Toncoin, which is a coin owned by Telegram. You can see that here on the 4-hour chart, we perfectly take liquidity in this bullish order block. You can see that we didn't take the liquidity under, but still this will probably be a perfect support confirmation. So if the support confirmation will be, let's say, somewhere around here, and there will be, for example, another retest, you can use it to open here a long trade. Stop loss in this case, you need to place like under this previous low and also under this bullish order block, so the potential stop loss will be like 6%, something like that. And your last take profit target you can place, for example, above this bearish order block, which is between levels 8.16 and 7.89, because if we are gonna test this area, there is pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above, and then the market can reverse. So yeah, this is another potential trade that you can currently take here. And again, you can see in the long time perspective, this coin is in the heavy bullish uptrend. With this candle, we took liquidity under like all of these previous important lows, so there was a huge liquidity grab. And yeah, I think that right now, if certain conditions are met in the long time perspective, you can do a really nice trade. But if we take a look on this one, this can be a trade with risk reward ratio like 10.88. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be still like 7, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really good. So yeah, if you don't want to, let's say, open some long position for, let's say, at least couple of months, like with the previous scenario, you can watch this setup And yeah, if you want to know, for example, when exactly I want to open these trades, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing their analysis on all of the altcoins that I'm currently watching, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And let's now move on the final altcoin that I will show you in today's video. And the last coin that I will show you in today's video is associated with really huge risk, but I think that the setup that we are having here right now is really insane. You can see that on the weekly time frame we actually grabbed the liquidity under the low that let's say was created while this coin was launched on Binance, because this is like a Binance chart. So right now you can see we took the liquidity under, and yeah, if you for example want to open here a long position, then the exact setup can look for example like this. So stop loss in this case you can place under the low that we created, because yeah, historically under this level there is absolutely zero liquidity. So once we will break it, you don't have here any new supports that you can use as your potential stop loss. So yeah, this must be your final stop loss. And if you will for example speculate to a new all-time high, or for example for a price recovery, which can happen, this can be a trade with risk reward ratio like 29.7. So the potential risk reward here is really great. In a coin like this, I probably wouldn't speculate on the new all-time high, because we don't have here a heavy bullish uptrend in the long time perspective, and we are in more like a mid-range. So my final take profit target for this trade will be probably something like this. So yeah, the last take profit you can place above this bearish order block, because if the whole market will go up, then there is in my opinion pretty high probability that we will swipe the liquidity above, and this trade itself can give you risk reward ratio like 12.36, which is again absolutely insane. So this is another really great setup that you can take. But yeah, if I was you, I would definitely wait here again for at least, let's say, some daily candles, or like maybe candles or like 12-hour chart, something like that, or maybe for like increased bullish volume. Because opening a long position, I mean, you can open it right now, but it's still really risky. But this whole trade is really risky, because as I said, in the long time perspective we don't have here a bullish uptrend. But if this trade will go in our favor, we have here really great risk reward ratio. So yeah, in some scenarios, if you will use good risk management, it's in my opinion worth of taking that risk. But this will be all from me for today, and if you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there those analysis every single day. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. See ya.